Every major technology shift creates winners and losers. In the 1800s, railroad minted the first wave of tycoons. In the 1990s, the internet turned everyday people into millionaires, sometimes overnight. Today, artificial intelligence, we call it AI, is moving faster than any innovation in the history of humankind. It's rewriting the rules in medicine, finance, education, entertainment, you name it, and even how we live and die. And here's the truth, 6 industries are about to explode in value, creating wealth on the scale that we have not seen since the birth of internet. Now the question is, will you be watching on the sidelines or building your next empire? In today's video, I'm going to talk about 6 businesses which are about to explode because of AI. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do hit the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Now let's jump into it. AI is not coming, it's already here. ChatGPT reached 100 million users within 2 months, the fastest adoption of any technology in the modern era. PwC predicts AI will contribute $15.7 trillion in economy by 2030. That's bigger than the GDP of China. And here's the kicker. Every single economic shift in history have one thing in common. The wealth doesn't get distributed evenly. A few people who see this opportunity early takes the lion's share. And the rest, well, they keep working for those few. This video is not about cool AI tools. It's about the businesses that will dominate next decade. How you can position yourself now. Business 1, AI healthcare and longevity. What used to take big pharma 10 years and $2 billion, AI is doing it in 18 months. A company called Insilico Medicine found a potential drug for lung diseases using AI to test millions of molecules virtually. No massive labs, no decade-long wait. This is the kind of breakthrough that could bring life-saving drugs to the market faster and make billion-dollar pharma profits accessible to small startups. Think about it. The AI healthcare market in 2025 is around $10 billion but is expected to be at $188 billion by 2030 with a cumulative growth rate of 48%. And here is another data. AI can diagnose diseases from scans with over 95% accuracy. Think about it. So here are the opportunities in this business. Number 1, AI diagnostic platforms, B2B for hospitals. Think about it. If you go to hospital and if they can take your scan and predict what problems you have, that could save a lot of time for you as well as for doctors. This can be an opportunity for everyone to build on it. Another opportunity can be personalized medicine startups. Everyone is different, and based on everyone's need, if you can get personalized medicine, that can really change how we see medical science and can play an important role in building longevity medicines. Another opportunity can be AI elder care robots. Think about it. People need lifting, shifting, moving, especially for elder care, and most of the nurses get exhausted by lifting people. If robots can help elders to do their work, here is why this will explode. The world's population is aging. The more we can prevent, diagnose, and treat early, the more valuable AI systems become. If railroads move goods faster, AI healthcare can move life itself faster. Now let's talk about business 2, AI cybersecurity. I know this is one of the things that everyone thinks about, how I can protect my identity in AI world. And I know this is a concern, and this is not a concern about personal identity security, it's also about commercial. Do you know that in 2023, MGM Casino was shut down for over a week, losing more than $100 million because of hackers? The attack took weeks to resolve. AI could have prevented these intruders in seconds before the damage was done. As AI creates new tools, it also creates new threats. And the only defense is to create more AI to protect businesses and to protect identities. AI cybersecurity market in 2023 was predicted to be $22 billion, but in 2030, it is predicted to be around $133 billion. According to the cybersecurity ventures, global cybercrime costs are predicted to be $10.5 trillion in 2025, up from $3 trillion in 2015, representing a dramatic 15% increase year over year. Additionally, the report cited by Reuters and the Economic Forum predicted that because of cyber crimes, $10.5 trillion will be lost in this year 2025, which will be considered as the third largest economy if it were after US and China. That's huge numbers. And here is the opportunity. AI threat detection platforms. With the platforms doing early prediction of possible threats can be a lifesaver for so many businesses as well as for personal data. The other opportunity can be AI-powered identity verification. As we see so many videos surfacing that people are pretending to be someone else using AI voice and AI videos, it is crucial for us to develop such AI platform that can verify the authenticity of identification, and that will play a huge role in future for sure. And another opportunity can be fraud detection for e-commerce and banks. Think about it. If you're looking for pick the shovel play in this AI gold rush, this is it. Every business from mom and pop shop to global corporations will need AI cybersecurity. This is not optional, this is survival. Business 3, AI content creation and media. In 2024, team of Mr. Beast tested out AI voices for converting his voice into different languages, and they were successful in 12 different languages, making him available to billions of people with different languages across the globe. And this is the opportunity that AI gives in media and content creation. That's the future of content, which is already here in this AI world. And what the data suggest, AI video market is projected to grow by 35% year over year up to 2030. Over 60% of brands are saying that they will use AI for marketing in 2026. And here are the opportunities. AI translation dubbing services for YouTube and other companies, AI content scaling agencies, AI virtual influencers and branded entertainment. Even Netflix is trying out some of the AI generated videos, and they are saying that they will use AI for majority of the content creation going forward, and that's huge. Think about it. In 2010, people were learning how to run Facebook ads that made them $1 million agencies. In 2025, those who master AI content creation will own the next wave. Business 4, AI education and upskilling. A teacher in Ohio used AI to create personalized tutoring platform for her students. 3 years later, she licensed it and distributed it among 200 schools. And then she got retired at the age of 42. By selling it for a big price. And that's the power of AI right now. AI in EdTech is a huge thing. From $4 billion in 2023, the AI EdTech industry is projected to be $80 billion by 2030. Corporate AI training demand is growing exponentially 30% year over year, and most of the companies are adopting already to AI and agentic workloads. And here are the opportunities. AI language learning platforms where you can try to speak in a certain language and perfect your pronunciation with the help of AI. This can be a huge opportunity for people. AI powered certification programs for in-demand jobs, virtual reality and AI immersive learning. These are all critical opportunities that people are bagging from startups to big corporations. In the world where AI is replacing jobs, the people teaching AI skills will not be out of the job. And business 5, AI logistics and supply chain. Now this is something very crucial. Walmart uses AI to predict when the products will be sold out and move stocks before the customers see out of stock sign. That means less waste, high profits, and happy customers that will never see out of stock sign. And here is the data to back it. AI logistic business is expected to be at $50 billion market valuation by 2030. And here are the opportunities. AI route optimization for delivery fleets, AI warehouse robotics integration, AI demand prediction for e-commerce. Logistics might not be flashy, but it's the nervous system of the global economy, and AI just gave it a superpower. And now let's talk about business 6, AI finance and investing tools. A tiny fintech startup in San Francisco built an AI to analyze small business loan risk. 2 years later, they were acquired by American Express for $450 million. And the data predicts that AI in fintech will be $61 billion by 2030, with the opportunity like AI robo-advisors, AI fraud detection for crypto and payments, AI personal finance tools, and so on. Finance is about information. AI turns information into prediction and prediction into profits. Every AI boom will create people who look back in 10 years and say, I wish I started back then. Here is the reality. This is back then. The opportunities are here. Capital is flowing. Tech is ready. But the only question is, are you? With this, I conclude this video, and I hope this video helped you and motivates you to do something for yourself and take advantage of this AI world race. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.